Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to see the all answer and response in Google Form. Let's get started. Create a blank form, give the title, make the question, go to preview, click the E icon, fill up the form and submit. Go to back the question, click the response. You can view it as a summary, question, and individually. Or you can view this question and answer into Google Sheet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.